Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete Spotify account permanently. So for that, what you need to do is you need to do this process on web browser, as you cannot do this process in mobile application. So first thing is you open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. And there on the search bar, you need to type in Spotify delete account and press enter. This will give you the search result or the link for you to delete your Spotify account. So from the search result, you need to click on the very top link of Spotify. This will directly to the Spotify closing your account and deleting your data page. Here you need to click on this link, close your account and delete your data. Click that. Then you will have this chat pop out. Now here you need to choose the option close my account. Click that. You can see the agent from Spotify is type in. Then it will give you a few more details about your account. Your account is currently on free version of Spotify. So as this is not being charged any premium account, you can also do this process from the account where all you need to do is cancel the membership or cancel the premium account. So here just choose and close my account and delete my data. We'll send you an email to confirm your account closure. Can you access your email address? You click on yes if that's the email address that you have used. We'll delete or anonymize your personal data so that it no longer identifies you except for the data we're legally allowed or required to maintain. So here if you want to continue, you click on yes. Spotify will send an email to your account to verify that the email address is yours. Now all you need to do is open a new tab, open a Gmail on your desktop, look for the email Spotify has sent you. There's the Spotify email, click open that, and all you need to do is you click on close my account. All done. Your account is now closed, so you won't be able to log in anymore. So this is a way how you can easily delete your Spotify account permanently. So this is how you can delete your Spotify account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.